Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make internet in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take fire. Then add water to fire. It will make steam. Then add fire to steam. It will make engine. Then add steam to engine. It will make train. Then add engine on other side. Then add engine to engine. It will make a rocket. Then add rocket to rocket. It will make a satellite. Then add rocket to train. It will make a bullet train. Then add bullet train to satellite. It will make internet. Voila! And that's how you make internet in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.